Hey guys, Corey from CTM Welding here, back with another welding clip from our shop. In this video, I'm going to show you a structural flux-core arc welding root pass using .072 and R232 wire. When running your root pass, make sure to spread your puddle all the way into both beveled edges of your plate by rocking the gun back and forth quickly as shown here. Just as important as rocking side to side quickly, make sure to keep your upward travel speed slow to avoid the wire gouging into your backing plate and to prevent pinholes or slag deposits on the sides. Time for the reveal. Looks like a successful root pass to me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more welding content from us over here at CTM Welding.